Alright, so I already got a circlip off to take this handle. This is just a quick hurry and service job. So let's take off those, pop it out, or you can just do that and leave this on. Wow, actually nothing wrong with that. The suction's good. Let's just clean it up. Can you look inside of there? Turn the flashlight on, probably. Right inside of there. I'm gonna go get a pointer. Right here. Let's see if you can see it. See right there? No, where the stick is. See that white thing right there? That right there. If you can see it. The white thing and the black above it is the seals that we need to replace. The white is just some spacer, some filler material. I'm just going to replace that seal real quick and get this thing going. I don't know if you can get in there to see any of this. There is the ring. There we go. You can see it's actually kind of worn out. Right around there on the inside. Let's get it replaced. Oh my gosh. Well, wasn't that. Uh-oh. I knew which one it wanted, so we'll go with that. I like when a still can choose its own partner.
Yeah.
Replacement. I didn't take the white stuff out because you usually don't need to. But the best way to get these, if you can ever do it, is to make it into a taco shape. In this case, it's not working. Get really in there. I wish I had a camera that could get into here. Well, you know what? I guess it's time to take this out, the filler. Packing is not easy to come out either. There we go. You want to get a picture inside there? Can you see it? How the packing's going in?
Yep.
Okay, back off. And this one don't want to play nice. I don't think it wants to play at all. Need something else to push with. Do we have something? Maybe this. There, officially got it in. Ready?
Yep.
Well, after that replace, it's just as easy as putting them back together. There. I put that in the wrong one, didn't I? No, put that in the wrong way. You know what, I think I'm gonna go grab some new circlips as well. That one I don't like. I really don't like it at all. Anyway, I'll do that off camera later. Now we just need to fill it back up. So apparently if you start it by disengaging it after you've done a job like that, start it like that, start pumping, and then let go, and it'll start to suck it in. I'm going to release this just so I don't put too much oil in. Which I'm afraid I already went and did. Now, lid on and test our luck. Clean it up after I'm done. These things have a clamping mechanism, a force, where you have to overcome it before it stops. You'll hear a click. That. Now it's time to release. You know what? Actually, I want to see how much that took away. Almost completely empty. Job is done. Just need to take it back to him now. Well, clean up first, I guess.